Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you on how to make compost tea at home. So compost tea is the byproduct or extracted liquid from your compost manure or from kitchen scraps that you have collected over time. And this is really perfect because it has a lot of nutrients, perfect for your garden or your vegetables. So here I have different containers here of compost, and I have a picture here. I removed the lid so you guys can see it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to scoop some of the compost here and put it in my pitcher, and I'm gonna use the hose to water it. You can strain it if you like, but you don't have to. You can use your own garden watering can. So here I'm watering my chayote because it has been really raining so hard and it lost a lot of nutrients, I could tell. And you can use stick as well to dilute it or mix it. And as you can see guys, the color of the compost tea is similar to the one in store that you can get, like the Vermistera compost tea, but you can create your very own compost tea or compost. I made a separate video for that. You can check it out later if you like, but this is really very helpful for your vegetable garden or really different plants flowering or green leafy vegetables. This has a lot of nutrients and I highly recommend it since it's liquid form. And if for example you want to use compost tea, I recommend to use it or water your garden during the morning, because that's the time where, especially it will be a sunny day afterwards, it's gonna be perfect for your plants. Will really gonna absorb it very well. And you can use definitely a well water, not a water that comes inside a house with a water softener. Just use the pure or from the groundwater. It is really perfect. So compost tea has really an earthy sweet smell. It comes from mixtures, a variety of very good fungi and bacteria that are really necessary for the growth and health of the plants. So there you go friends, that's how to make your own compost tea at home. If you want to watch more video, I have a full playlist there for you. You can check it out if you want to. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.